to places I've never been. Till you put me down. Oh, you were trouble when you walked in. So lean on me and let go. Took me to places I
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, South Central Wilson County in Middle Tennessee until 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:34 p.m. Central Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 15 miles south of Nolensville, or 16 miles southwest of Murfreesboro, and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro and Walker Hill. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.